In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Microsoft Project. Before you download anything, make sure your Microsoft 365 subscription includes the Project Online Desktop Client. This is part of Project Plan 3 or Project Plan 5. If you are using a personal or basic Microsoft 365 plan, Project typically isn't included. If you are not sure which plan you have, sign into your Microsoft 365 account and look at your subscriptions. Or check with your organization's admin. This step matters because Microsoft Project will only appear for accounts that have an active license. Once your license is confirmed, go to Office.com and sign in with the account that has Project. On the home page, look for the Install and More menu. Choose Install Microsoft 365 apps, then select View Apps and Devices. This page lists all the software available to you under your license. Scroll until you find Project. Click the Install option next to it, and your browser will download a small installer file. If you don't see Project listed here, it usually means your account doesn't have an active Project Plan 3 or 5 license yet. So reach out to your admin to get access. When the download finishes, open the exe installer file. If you are prompted by Windows to allow changes, click Yes. The installer will fetch the necessary files from Microsoft and set everything up for you. Keep your internet connection steady, and let the process finish without closing the window. This can take several minutes depending on your connection and device. When the installer confirms it's done, you can close it and move on. Now it's time to activate. Open Microsoft Project from your Start menu. On first launch, you'll be asked to sign in. Use the same work or school account that has your project license. If you ever see an option asking for a product key, choose the Sign In option instead. After signing in, Project will validate your license and complete activation. To double-check, go to File, then Account inside Project. You should see that it's activated and linked to your subscription. That's it. Thanks for watching.